Heating effects of electric current. Heating effects of electric
current.
Heating effects of why heating effect is recognized, why heating effect is create, why heating effect is released, why heating effect is produced, why heating effect is offering.
So because of rubbing the hand and heat is produced.
So it will gives you work done. We talks about electric current. We not talks about static current. Okay, we talks about electric current. These rubbing the hands together, it is a static current. It will not gives you work. Heating effects of electric current, my dear, it is a produced by why it is recognized. अरे क्यों हीटिंग आ रही है मैडम? एवरीवन बेटा बताइए. हाँ जी.
So because the current is
Because if you are using any particular device from the long point of time, so what do you experience? Heat experience. So electric current are passing, my dear, if flowing in any kind of device and constantly, so it will gives you heating. The paribhasha of heating effect क्यों आ रहा है? क्यों आ रहा है heating effect? The reason behind of heating effects, if conductor is purely resistive, हमारा जो तार है वो के how it will becomes, हमारा जो तार है my dear, whatever is your conductor, it is purely resistive. It is purely resistive. क्या बोल रहा है वो कि तार जो इस्तेमाल हो रहा है हीटिंग को बोलते हैं ऊष्मा. ऊष्मा उत्पन्न हो रही है. हीटिंग क्यों आ रही है? क्यों आ रही है? Just because of if conductor is purely resistive, special type of wire we are using, the name is, hey bachcha, oh madam, what do you mean by, which kind of wire we are using for heating effect? Nichrome wire. Which wire? Nichrome conductor. Loudly with me, sir and madam. Nichrome conductor. Which conductor? Nichrome conductor will gives you, my dear, heating effect, which will gives you heating effect. It is purely resistive wire. Which wire? Nichrome. Nichrome is a, what do you mean by nichrome? For, according to you, you doesn't know about it, the nichrome. I know it. You don't know? As general. What is nichrome?
So it is a wire.
It is a wire.
So it generates the heating.
It generates the heating. What is nichrome?
Sir, nichrome is a wire. It produces heating.
Are you all right, bachcha? Nichrome is a wire. Bitu?
So nichrome is a wire that we use in.
It is a wire. It is something. Wire are made up of.
Copper wire.
अरे कॉपर क्या है? अरे खदो कॉपर क्या है? मेटल है। तो ऐसे बोलो ना गुरुजी, नाइक्रोम एक तरीके की क्या है, धातु है। क्या है? जो ऊष्मा और धारा को प्रवाहित होने में मदद करती है। नाइक्रोम जोर से बोलो, एक मटेरियल है, इट इज अ मेटल। These I want to expect from you guys. I am expecting these kind of answers. Understand? It is a metal or non-metal? Metal. So if diagram is a non-metal, so how we are just putting our hands in the, my dear, heater? Not putting. I am just maintain some away from distance. Okay. ज़्यादा ठंड लग रही तो उसके ऊपर बैठ गए आप so pure resistive metal, बेटा pure resistive metal will be formula गुरुजी नाइक्रोम का Ni. ओके, निकल का फॉर्मूला भी Ni. कंफ्यूज मत होना माइंड, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. निकल एंड नाइक्रोम विल बी सेम फॉर्मूला, Ni. Nickel nichrome. Nickel is also metal, nichrome is also metal. Okay?
Sir, I am the
If
first.
I am asking any wait. If I am somebody, any teacher, any faculty asks you question, so always you focusing on the word of the particular faculty, the depth, what they exactly want to say. उसके depth में सोचो. Okay? Not focusing only. Nichrome is a material. Nichrome is a heating wire. Now here's a heating effect. Okay. Once we talk about what is this marker, what is this? What is the definition of this marker? The first appearance will be black in color. Okay. Yes.
So these are non-metal.
This is a non-metal. Other definition, my dear, of it. How it is made up of? Plastic made up of plastic. Plus the ink with basically whatever the ink we are input it, my dear, we are filling the ink. So this ink, my dear, which kind of it? This is a metal, non-metal? Non-metal. This is what? Non-metal. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you are continuously, my dear, working, my dear, and writing the, my dears, any paragraph writings is too much timing, 5 hours, 6 hours, my dear, because in the ink there is a, my dear, there is a small amount of alcohol is there, my dear. If you are continuously writing, my dear, so I am just, my dear, okay, like, yes or no? Yes. कितना खुश होगी बच्ची. अच्छा.
Sir, I am the purchasing, sir, room heater.
What you purchasing? Alcohol?
Room heater.
Room heat. Okay, that's great. Well, beta, how much cost?
Sir,
7K. You can also bring the, my dear, scooty. You're also bring the scooty. Down payment or maybe down payment. So total cost?
Total cost
124. Heater में which kind of wire? Geyser. Nichrome. Okay, so purely resistive. So nichrome is purely resistive. I want you giving for eating, my dear. Okay, this is a good option for you. Okay, you eating this one, my dear. यहाँ तक एग्जाम कोचिंग तक, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Okay. ऐसे कर रहे हैं. See over here, the source of energy continuously get of heat. If conductor is purely resistive, so it will always continuously gives energy in a form of heat. This is a nichrome wire. If we are continuously passing the current in it, my dear, so it will continuously get off heat, my dear. Nichrome किसमें, it will transform the, my dear, converting the energy in the form of Heat. Yes or no? Do you know the property of duck? Property of Hans? It is a, my dear, Vahan of goddess of Saraswati Mata. Do you know about it? एक पतीले में आप उसे दूध में पानी मिलाकर दोगे तो दूध दे आर माय डियर कंज्यूमिंग योर दूध और उसमें से क्या अलग कर देगा? पानी अलग कर देगा. ओके, यस, इट इज अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल माय डियर? इट इज नेचुरली पॉसिबल. इट इज बट इट विल लिटरली इट विल डन माय डियर. It will done. See, continuously get off heat from which wire are, if wire we are in wire we are passing the heat. क्या बोल रहे हैं? If we are passing the electricity, we are passing what? Electricity. If any kind of, if we are passing a nichrome wire, if we are passing the electricity into the nichrome wire, so it will produce. Or heat will produce, heat will you experience what? Heat will gives you relaxation, heat will gives you, my dear, work done. Yes or no? गैस स्टोव जो होता है हमारा, ये प्लेट किसकी बनी होती है? This plate is made up of gas stove. चूल्हे की दिस प्लेट. now you never look at this plate बेटा.
सर वो डायलॉग थोड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है सर.
It is made up of, my dear. Okay, just this is your DPT. You can just research on that particular diagrams which the gas stove, my dear, are made up of. Okay, these flame are made up of this flame part which are recognized by it. So it is made up of. Okay. Right now, the gas stove are made up of. ओ सर, हाँ हरदीप जडेजा, बोलो बेटा. हम बिल्कुल हाँ, ये डेफिनेटली हम टीचिंग पढ़ते हैं यहाँ पे. अभी आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? नाच नहीं रहे हम यहाँ पे. व्हाट आई डू? ओके, सो नाइक्रोम बोलो. नाइक्रोम वायर प्योरली रेजिस्टिव. इनवर्ड वर्ड क्वेश्चन कम इन CBSE बोर्ड. प्योरली रेजिस्टिव डैश कंडक्टर. So you can mention nichrome conductor. Which conductor?
Nichrome.
Purely resistive. Purely resistive. Purely resistive. Nichrome wire. Okay. Passing electricity. It get heat. It get heat. This is known as heating effect. ऊष्मा प्रभाव. हीटिंग इफेक्ट क्यों प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है? क्योंकि उसमें हमने क्या पास कर दिया? करंट. इट इज अ वायर एंड इट इज अ फ्लो ऑफ करंट. सो इट विल जनरेट्स. व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ फायर? इनिशियली इट विल बिकम्स, माय डियर, येलोइश इन कलर. आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम इट विल, माय डियर, ब्लूइश इन कलर. देन they are becomes, my dear, red after being certain time being. Okay, yes or no? So it will becomes what? This wire becomes what? It turns, my dear, which color? Red color. Yes or no? Okay. So the formula of heat equals H upon Q. Heat divide upon charge. If charge divides heat, that means formula of heat. V for potential difference. V stands for potential difference. H stands for heat. Q stands for charge. What is charge? Coulomb. One charge is equals to Tick tick 1, 10 तक. Tick tick 2.
minus 1.6.
Tick tick. Wrong.
minus 1.6 into
Wrong.
10 to the power
1 electron is equals to 1 electron is 1 minus 1.6 minus 1.6 10 to the power now. Yes. 6.25. Always give the respond the wrong answer. 1 electron value is equals to.
So what is the number of one electron?
Hmm?
So 6.25 is the number of electrons. Yes sir. Number of electron in 1 coulomb of charge.
Number of electron in 1 coulomb. So what I said, 1 coulomb of charge equals to.
Sir, one charge. You said sir one charge only.
So what do you respond? I said one. I said what? I said number of electron in 1 coulomb. I said 1 coulomb of charge.
Yes,
1 coulomb of charge. I said
6.25 into
6.25.
Sir, you said sir.
Both answer will be similar. Huh?
Sir, one charge.
Okay. 1 coulomb of charge.
1 coulomb of charge.
6.25.
6.25.
1 coulomb of charge.
1
6.25.
6.25.
10 raised to the power 18.
10 to the power 18.
Okay. Charge of 1 electron will be
Charge of 1 electron.
minus 1.6 to 10 raised to the power minus
19
19
coulomb.
coulomb. Hmm. So the potential difference equals to
Potential difference equal
heat upon charge.
Heat upon charge.
Next. Listen guys. See. This in denominator, this is a physics matter. This is a small physics. See. But just see. This Q is in denominator. So they are in denominator. Any number in denominator is moving in what?
multiplication.
Multiplication. So H as it is V multiplication Q. VQ. Is it? Next step. H is equals to the formula of charge equals to current into per unit time. So with the help of this formula, we are execute the value of Q equals to 1 IT. So in the place of Q, what we are execute? IT we are execute. What we are execute? IT we are execute. Okay. Next step. For according to Ohm's law, what do you mean by the formula of according to Ohm's law?
Sir, V is proportional to I.
V is equals to IR. Any issue? Okay. So in the place of V, what we are putting Nalaiko?
V.
V is
In the
equals to
place
IR.
of IR.
Okay, V is equals to IR. So in the place, what the potential difference equals to IR. Okay, potential difference equals to IR.
IR.
Someone is drop. Something is drop. See, V is equals to IR. IITT. IITV. I into I.
I square.
I square. Resistance as it is. Time as it is. So this is the way the heat formula will be. Heat formula will be, my dear, introduced by these my dear particular steps, my dear. We are applying these steps, my dear. So we are ultimately getting these the formula of heat. So these all formulas, how I would know? Beta, listen, Betu. In JEE examination, how I would know which formula we are applying? If in my dear examination, in numericals, the value of potential difference is given. Let's suppose that will be 8 ohm. Current value is 2 ampere, 2A, and the time is equals to 4 seconds. Okay, 4 seconds. If value of VIT is given, so we are focusing on which kind of value is given in the question. If the value is VIT is given, so we are applying this formula. If the value of IRT is given, so we are applying this formula. So how I would figure out which formula we are applying. Because there's a 4 formula, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 formula is there of heat. So how I am figure out? On the basis of which kind of parameters are given. So on the basis of parameters, on the basis of the which value is given in the numerical questions, mind you. So we are applying those formulas, those particular formulas. If let's you are figure out first. These formula are applying in which? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir, second. Sir, answer is
Second.
64.
Okay. I is let's suppose 8 ampere. Resistance will be 3 ohm. And time will be 4 hour. Ganesh Acharya. Beta. Ganesh. Beta. 4. Okay. Shruti. V is equals to 4 40 ohm. Q will be find out. H is given. H is let's suppose 41 joule. 41 joule. Heat is 41 joule. So find out the value of charge. So how which formula we are using? Heat is given. गुरुजी आप हमें बोलोगे गुरुजी और बच्चा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज गिवन चार्ज इज फाइंड आउट नीड एस्पिरेंट फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला वी आर यूजिंग यस गुरुजी करके बताओ ना देखो V का वैल्यू हाउ मच 40 ओम इक्वल्स टू H विल बी 41 चार्ज वी डोंट नो 40 comes in 5 8 the 40 5 8 the 40 41 minus 41 is it 41 minus 41 5 divides decimal is there so applying decimals so 1 or 0 10 so 4 yes or no so we are dividing okay so this is the way we are dividing it my dear and we are easily getting the value of any terminologies any terms we are finding but once you are not remember this formula you are just my dear not approaches the numericals because numerical is important for a CBSE point of view as well as my dear state board point of view. Okay, 90% is scoring lowest marks in science because deliberately teachers my dear always said the numerical is a CBSE purpose for point of view is important. Okay, previous year paper light chapter numericals come electricity chapter question come Mandel effect question are come. Okay, also from the chapter which is next chapter is what your Mandel effect of current which form one more chapter is human and colorful world. Okay, effective and next slide Lord with H equals to VQ H equals to VQ H equals to VIT H equals to I square RT H equals to VQ H equals to VIT H equals to V I square RT okay by mistake H equals to VQ H equals to VIT H equals to I square RT close your eyes and figure out just visualize my dear the fire just visualize the fire sir what you say fire visualize just imagine heat are conducting purely resistive material heat always flowing purely resistive material just imagine heat is flowing just imagine my dear you took a rod but a rod having my dear there is a rubber there is a my dear handle so you can hold the my dear this rod and there is a heat is passing it my dear so loud purely resistive material heat is passing heat formula
Heat formula
V upon Q.
V upon Q.
H equals to
H equals to
VQ.
VQ.
H equals to
H equals
VQ.
to VQ.
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 VIT.
VIT.
VQ.
VQ.
VIT.
VIT.
VQ.
VQ.
VIT.
VIT.
VQ.
VQ.
VIT.
VIT.
I square RT.
I square RT.
VQ.
VQ.
Wait. IRT.
IRT.
I square RT.
I square RT.
V upon Q.
V upon Q.
VIT.
VIT.
V upon Q.
V upon Q.
V upon Q.
V upon Q.
I
I
VIT.
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 I square RT.
I square RT.
SI unit of heat will be
SI unit of heat
Joule.
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 Work SI unit will be Joule. Open your eyes. So purely resistant material we are using. Very simple.
SI unit of heat joule or work joule.
Work, yes sir. Same. साइंस का रिएक्टिव सीरीज बताना. कैटरीना ने कार मांगी, ऑडीज एंड फरारी, हाई फिर भी क्यों मिली सिल्वर ऑडी और हाई फिर भी क्यों मिली सिल्वर ऑडी और
सर सिल्वर ऑडी.
कैटरीना ने कार मांगी. ओ बेटा गणेश, फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट रिएक्टिव मटेरियल second lowest sodium, second last
silver.
impressive. Come. Sit. Now we are moving forward. Before heating is passing in the material, my dear, so the wire condition will be, my dear, is okay till we are after we are passing the, my dear, certain time, so it will becomes, my dear, very hot. Okay, H upon Q will be heat upon charge per unit time. Reflex section are done by which part of your body? Subscribe our channel. What is the name of it? अरे बेटा इसका नाम क्या है? हाँ बेटा इसका नाम क्या है जो कमेंट कर रहा है? YouTube साइंस क्या नाम है पढ़ने? YouTube King. Figure out. Okay, figure out my expression.
Sir.
Another name of spinal cord. Vertebral column. That's great. Why diabetes is formed, introduced in the body?
Sir,
When the amount of insulin is
Increase. That is good for our body. Okay.
sir, we can learn what
What?
supply.
Yes. Ushma in Hindi. Okay? Ushma. Okay? Any issue? Bachcha, do it fast. advantage of parallel combination formula.
Parallel combination.
1 upon R equals to 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon R3.
Wrong completely.
Parallel combination.
Formula of parallel combination.
Parallel combination. 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon
Plus is you missing. You want missing what? Plus.
plus 1 upon R3.
1 upon
1 upon R3.
1 upon R3.
The 1 plus.
Sir, 1 upon R3.
Could you repeat once again?
Sir, 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3.
Series combination formula. Ganesh, Piyush.
Sir. Sir, I1. Sir, I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equals to 1. Sir, 1 upon I1.
Yours tell us the total current. It is not a formula.
R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3.
Okay, never like this. 1 upon R, 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon R3. Okay, be very careful. There is a big lizard. Heating. Joule's law of heating. Which chapter is running your school?
Sir, in science, sir, electricity,
Electricity. This topic is done.
almost done.
Almost. You are learning this topic. Who teaches?
Prabhakar, sir.
Prabhakar.
The new teacher.
proportional. Beta, you are practicing these questions, my dear, in your home in return and forwarding me at 7 p.m. And also wake up early in the morning. Okay? Hating is desirable. How many chapters you not learned, my dear? Huh? Anjali. Anjali. How many chapters? How many chapters in social, bacha? Not learn. Focusing on the right. I thought this is some chocolates. Holy sir, light. क्या बेटा?
Bottle. Sir.
Because continuously they are associate to water. Why heating effect is produced? Mansi, Shruti, 2023 batch. Mansi, Shruti, they are best friend. Shruti, why heating effect is produced? Simple question, simple answer. You are getting the full marks in this chapter if you are right, give the right response, the right answer. Why heating effect is recognized? Can I ask for C? Because electricity is passing into the wire. Into the wire, dichromy, yes or no? Getting? Okay. Heat is Joule's law of heating. Heat effects can be discussing heating effects can be researched by a different scientist. The first scientist name is what? The first scientist who took the research, my dear, on the heatings, my dear, who took the, my dear, research and analysis the heating. Which scientist analysis heating? Bacha, which scientist analysis heating? Joule scientist. In analysis what? They are analyze heating and they research towards the heating. Okay. Heat is produced in a resistors directly proportional to the square of current. Heat is ultimately depending on current. Heat is depending on current. जूल का ही कहना था कि दुनिया की सारी डिवाइसेस, ऑल डिवाइसेस में अगर हीटिंग इफेक्ट आ रहा है, so it will be depends on current. It will be depends on current. This is the, my dear, perception of scientists. Okay. Joule's scientist said heat is produced in the resistors directly proportional to the square of current. If heat is more, so current is what? Current is less. Listen, heat is more, so current is less. Directly proportional? This is directly proportional. No. Heat can be denoted by which symbol? Heat can be represented by prime number?
No sir, capital H.
Capital H. Heat can be represented by capital H. Heat is more according to Joule's law. So current is also more. Next point. Directly proportional. कोई भी ऐसे नहीं पढ़ाएगा आपको. कोई nobody teach you like me. Directly proportional to the resistance for given current. If we are passing the current in this device, so it produces heat. It produces heat. It produces heat. It produces heat. It is not produce heat because heating is only flow in pure resistive material. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes or no?
Yes sir.
There is some conditions. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Heat can be depends on the pure resistive wire. It will require wire. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Which kind of coaching you like most, my dear? The teacher is talks some gossips and they are always on wanted to indulge in the, my dear, Bollywood gossips, big boss gossips, politics gossips. What do you, which kind of teacher you want?
Sir, they are,
Regular, consistent,
yes, sir. Sir,
okay,
learning,
learning, strict, hardworking.
sir, learning.
So loudly with me, current is directly proportional to the resistance for a given current. Okay. Third, directly proportional to for which the current flow through the resistors. Directly proportional to for which the current flow through the resistors. Let's suppose you are ironing your t-shirt, my dear. Iron your shirt. You are starting the iron, my dear, for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If the time will be, my dear, more, 1 hour you are spending. So what is the condition of the surface of iron, my dear? Yes. If you are spending, if you are, my dear, doing the, my dear, from the last 1 hour, iron the shirt, my dear. So what is the conditions, my dear? What is the impact on the surface of it? Understand my question?
Sir,
If we are, my dear, running the praise from the last 1 hour, okay, so listen, okay, so what is the impact on the surface of it?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir,
Very simple, Betu. Very simple. Very simple. You don't know. You know. In only in India, you know. Very simple. Hmm.
Sir, it becomes a very what generate heat.
sir, sir, they must use.
Hmm.
सर, वो कपड़ा ऐसे उड़ाता है ना पूरा।
I'm not talks about the impacts on the cloth. We talks about which kind of impacts on the surface of.
Sir, more amount
Thus-
of heat is produced.
Yes, hot. It is extremely hot. It is extremely hot. Yeah, it is immense hot. बहुत ज़्यादा वो गर्म हो जाएगा. Okay. तो so current का current directly impact what? Current directly impact of resistor. Okay. Sometimes my handle is also warm. It will warm.
Yes, sir.
It is a small. It is a, my dear. There is a little bit, my dear. They are touching on, my dear, your fingers, my dear. So what is your condition, my dear? Ah. So
Sir, in some
yes,
sir,
you are pressing on the body.
sir, very low amount of
Very low amount of.
yes.
It is a danger. It is, you are science student.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
You are a science student. Okay. हाथ आगे कर बेटा. इन्हीं हाथों में करा ना तेरा हाथ. Yes. I am already told you. If you are doing again, you are performing this. This is a danger. Okay.
लगा के सुन करके
This is a shocking, my dear. See. देखो नालायक में आप. See over here. Application. Hey, what is register? Appliances is register. Application of heating effects of electric current. Application means what? Uses. Application means what? Uses of heating effect in our day-to-day life. First application we are using is what? Heating is desirable. Heating is desirable. From heater, from geyser, from from induction, from electric iron, from electric fuse, etc. So heating a desirable matter in some devices, but it is undesirable in some devices like computer, like refrigerator, like television, झूठ का डिब्बा, television, okay? So it is undesirable. You're not thinking, my dear, whenever I am open the refrigerator, look at that beautiful ice cream, look at the delicious ice cream. Dhamaka! Okay. Next. SI unit of heat, I am already told you better, it is Joule. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So desirable of heat
Desirable of heat
will be
will be
devices like heater, geyser,
geyser,
television.
television. No, sir. Sir,
We are getting in television heat.
No, sir.
So why are you saying yes?
Sir, I am saying
Desirable heat will be desirable.
it will be
Such devices
such devices
like heater,
heater,
iron,
iron,
electric fuse.
electric fuse.
Maharaj, Guruji, I clearly understand heater, electric iron. Electric fuse क्या आएगा? बोलो electric fuse operate
electric fuse operate
amount of
amount of
current
circulate
circulate what? Circulate what?
Light.
Appliances. Okay, who operated, my dear? Who will took a responsibility? So electric fuse. It is very hot. Yes or no? Next. Our next topic is what? Figure out our next topic.
Electric fuse.
सुना है? Fuse हो गया बल्ब. मम्मी fuse हो गया. Yes or no? Next, heating effect is undesirable in computer. Okay. Phone is off.
Sir.
Oh.